Okay, well this morning I stopped in at our local big box store and I'm going to be installing the Defender Security window security pins in our basement windows that we never use, but we just wanted to add some security to our basement area. So what I'm going to be installing is the security pin. This is the pin itself. It has a little, on the end there, it has a little, the hook grabs onto it to be able to pull it out once it's installed. And to install it, you need a 5/16 drill bit, and we're going to drill it down about 2 inches and 5/8 deep. So, I'll put on my safety glasses. Here we go. You want to make sure that the your lock is on already. We'll just open it up. It's a fully functioning window. First thing we're going to do is make sure that it's locked. Then you're going to want to put it up in the corner so that it goes through the inside sash into the outside sash, but not in. Make sure you don't hit that glass. You don't want to. So let me come over here. Let's switch. So determine that looks about a good spot. We're good to go. Yep. Just take your time. Alright, so we drill our hole. Make sure you get any of the loose dust out of there. And get the pin, put it in. Should slide, maybe there's something still in there. Slides right in, and then we'll check it, unlock it, and it's secure. And to remove it, you just hook the hook and pull it out. Now, the one thing you want to do is make sure that these keys, you have it somewhere near where your pins are in case you need to access it quickly to get out. We'll determine where we're going to keep it, but that's basically it. Drill the hole, put it in, make sure that the slot is up for easy removal. That's it. And you can see some that I've already done. It's that easy. If I can do it, you can do it. And so, once again, that's how you install the Defender Security window security pins.